Let's go. Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. This is the 4th of September 2023, start of the Christmas season in the Philippines, and we are doing it with a bang by doing a brick break of Avengers 60th. Okay, I'm going to show the video. Okay, there you go. Okay, so this is the brick break number 8. So it arrived earlier today on a rainy Monday. And as you can see on the screen right now, we have 10 participants for the brick break. Roll call. Jasper, yours truly. Onin is present. Larry is missing in action. Robert is present. Legna is here. Joel is here. Taldir is not here. Chito is not here. Kennard is present. And of course, some guests, Julian, shout out to you, of course. Voltaire, and I see Jomar also in the video. So as always, we are going to randomize the names of the participants. Mechanics muna. So the boosters number 1 to 5 would correspond to the back side of the brick, back row from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the slots number 6 to 10 will be the front row, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, left to right. And at the end of this particular brick break, we're going to raffle off the legacy and team up card for the set. Okay. So are we ready? So let's manifest in the chat what we want to pull. You can also say what you want to pull. I think we haven't pulled any no? Wala pang Ultra Chase, wala pang Killmonger, wala pang ano pa?
Ghost Goblin.
Ghost Goblin. Yeah, Ghost Goblin wala pa rin pala. Okay, so I hope we get a new Chase para may naman. May variation. Okay, sino yung kakapasok lang? Wala. Okay. Sige, so let's see how many times we'll randomize the list. 2 and 3. 5. Okay, so this is the list. Let's randomize it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. This will be the list of for tonight's brick break.
Ayan ka na naman na Jasper. Number 1 ka na naman.
Number 1 na naman. Gusto niyo bang mag-countdown tayo? Pabaliktad naman?
Yun na, tanggap na namin kung ganyan ka kung sa'yo talaga tumaset na to.
Yan. Okay, so
good luck, Jasper.
Let's see. Number 1 is Jasper, 2 Chito, 3 Onin, Kennard 4, Leodge 5, Legna 6, Taldir 7, 8 Larry, 9 Robert, 10 Taldir. I think sa last one, yung number 8, yung gitna ng front ang Chase with the Kid Thanos for Conrad. So ano naman siya? It's really
random naman siya.
Okay, so please take note of your numbers. I'm also gonna take note naman on my end. And as always, we're gonna take pictures para if you want to trade and sell items, please do so. Apologies pala, madami pang mga boosters na nasa akin. I was supposed to go Saturday Centuries, but the weather is terrible. So hopefully this week, sama ko na. Taldir, welcome. You're here. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, I'm going to make this spotlight to everyone. Okay, you should see the hand with the mouse.
Yes, malinaw.
Okay.
Confirm.
Okay, so I'm going... sakit ng ano ko. Sakit ng tummy ko. Okay, so legacy card for the...
Tanong, Jasper, anong chase gusto mo?
Nakuha ko na yung hound eh. Gusto ko Dark Phoenix. May hound na ako eh.
Ayan na.
Ayan na. Manifest ka na.
Ito yung legacy card. We're gonna raffle it later. Okay, ito yung brick. I'm gonna open it. Maganda ba isa lang o dalawa? Anong gusto niyo? Isa lang, no? Kasi naman kita natin. Anyway.
Isa.
Isa lang. Okay. remove na the spotlight for the other one. Okay. Opening
Ito
it
na.
up. So far, wala naman tayong na-experience na tampering kasi nga meron ng Wizkids logo yung ano, yung plastic.
Saka,
That was a great addition.
saka complete yung cards mo ngayon, ni Legacy. Di ba dati nakawalan ng pack?
Oo nga, oo nga. Pag ano, nire-return na natin agad eh. So, good thing. Wala na. Okay, booster number 1. This
Yan
is for yours truly.
Yes.
Let's see.
Handa na.
Handa na.
Handa na.
Handa na. Let's see.
Handa na. Just pakita mo na yung chase mo.
Wala
Blue
na.
Phoenix.
Ako. Uy.
Uwi na ba? Uwi na ba?
This is. Uy, Ant-Man.
Kinakabahan na ko.
Nakabahan na. Luke Cage. Spider-Man. Hulk. Hulk Prime. Rare. Prime. Uy.
Congrats. Galing
And
naman.
Ultron Drone.
Galing naman.
Nahiya ka naman,
Hulk Prime
Jasper.
na ako.
Hinold prime mo na lang.
Okay. Last time we got a Hulk Prime, anong chase natin? Kid Thanos ba? Kailan ikaw nakakuha, no?
Kitanos.
Okay.
Yep.
Hopefully, it's a different chase. Chito, you're next. Number 2. Nandito na ba si Chito? Wala pa. Okay.
Wala eh.
Kailangan ko na talaga ng Dark Phoenix. May Hulk Prime eh.
Saka Hound pa.
Ano ba? Tignan natin to. Chito.
Uy.
Moonstone, SR.
Moonstone.
SR.
Screaming Mimi na walang scream.
Yes.
Nandyan.
Wala yung boses.
Nakalaglag.
Ay,
It's right there. Yeah.
Okay. Hellcat, Iron Man, and Ant-Man. Okay, SR. We'll check if the card is here for SR's up. Moonstone, SR.
Yes.
Parang may Moonstone din tayo nung nakaraan.
Yeah, oo. Moonstone yung Hulk ata.
Oo, parang
Right.
may Moonstone tayo kay Larry na alala ko. So, Chito. Chito.
Pero so far, wala pa atang Brit na walang chase, no?
Oo nga. Ayun ang maganda sa Avenger 60th. Booster number 3, Onin. This is yours. Let's see.
Chase.
Wala pang chase.
Chase.
Oops. Uy, Morgan Le Fay. SR, nasa likod lahat. Morgan Le Fay, SR. Tactical
Militar.
Force.
Tactical
Force. Leader. Bats. And Winter Soldier. May nakuha din tayo Morgan Le Fay nun.
Yes.
Mukhang ano to? Kid Thanos. Oo. If may chase. Mukhang Kid Thanos to. Yun lang ano ko, guess ko. Okay, this is Onin. Okay, Onin. Okay, SR. Second SR. Last time we had 4 SRs eh. Dun sa break na yun.
Yeah.
Kenard,
Pero may isang Brit
yours.
din 2 SRs lang.
2 SRs lang. Oo nga. Kenard, number 4.
Yep.
Ang lakas ng ano, back row ah. Uy, ano yan, Bebet?
Militant.
Okay, Tamiya. Militant. Beyonder. Thanos. Winter Soldier and Monica Chang. Okay. Rare, Militant, and Uncommon Thanos. Thanos, always a good thing to see a Thanos.
With Beyonder. Okay siya pang sealed.
Okay siya sa sealed, that booster. That's Thanos tuloy na sulat ko sa pangalan. Hindi to kay Thanos, kaya ano to?
Nagulat ako bakit Thanos.
Kenard, di Thanos ha. Okay, ano ba? Sumali si Thanos sa break.
Spoiler.
Fixated kay Thanos. Number 5 is Joel, this is yours. Okay, let's see. This is the Scott Porter slot. Okay, wala pa tayong chase. Captain America, LMD.
Yes.
Beyonder again. Abomination Rare and card. Abomination Rare and Grandmaster.
Yeah.
Rare Abomination.
Yes, wala pa akin yan.
Okay. So this is Joel. Baka malagay ko na naman Abomination eh. Okay, so we are at the half mark. Okay, quick look at our list again. Number 6 to 10 is coming up. Okay, so far recap, we have a rare prime, we have 2 SRs. So we're hunting for 1 more SR and 1 to 2 more SRs and possibly chase. Okay. Number 6 is Legna.
Isa pa yan.
Legna. This is yours.
Hello. Yep.
You want another Black Skull?
That would depend.
Let's see.
Doctor Strange.
Doctor Strange. Oy! I remember Conrad had Doctor Strange ba?
Yep.
Bats.
Bats.
Kid
Yun
Thanos!
na, Kid Thanos.
Oh, what the hell? Again? Twice?
Congrats.
Number
What the hell? Seriously?
Congrats.
I remember Conrad had Doctor Strange together with Kid Thanos.
Oh
So,
my
Thanos
god, again?
also-
I'm not expecting Jesus. What? Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Pareha full laman.
Is this something you want?
Dalawa na kayo,
Something you want?
Jasper.
I don't. I have to use that and play it, but yeah, I guess so.
Kid
Since
Thanos.
I also have the Black Skull, I can swap it through whatever.
Yeah.
You just need the other 7.
It's a
Yep.
good trade. It's a good trade piece, of course. Any chase
True
is a
that.
good trade
True
piece.
that.
Remember,
Just need
Wheels of
7 more
Vengeance,
chases.
Wheels of Vengeance is coming. You can trade that for other chases, of course.
Yep. Better wait, I guess.
Okay, so congratulations,
Again.
Legna. So it seems
Respectable.
like we're getting a similar break. sabi nga natin, Kennard, region. Ano ba yan? Region din ng Philippines.
Mukhang region yung
Pangatlong
May
region
clay.
region na yung supply.
Pangatlong Quintanos na natin sa Pilipinas yan sa break pa lang ah.
Mm-mm.
Taldir, this is for you. Booster number 7, your first booster. If I'm not mistaken, the SRs are... Sino pa ba?
Yeah.
Parang Starbrand saka si
Yeah.
Monica
Starbrand.
Rambo.
Starbrand and...
Monica.
Monica Rambeau,
Ay,
aka
Clea?
Photon.
Clea ba?
And Clea, yeah.
May Clea ata, no?
May Clea ka pa?
Oo.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh, that's Clea, I guess.
Taldir,
Ultron.
Ultron,
And
Drone.
Basta,
Nandun,
Oy!
Japas na.
Hulk.
Hulk,
Hulk.
And
Spider-Man,
Spider-Man.
and
Hydra Agent.
Hydra Agent. Okay,
Okay.
Rare, Ultron. Okay. Taldir, I think, is collecting Ultron drones. Okay. Taldir. Okay, next one is Larry. Larry, are you here?
Yeah.
Wala pa. Okay. Okay. Booster number 8 is Larry.
SR.
Come on. We only have 2 SRs. Legna, you're very lucky in this set, ha? Always getting chase, ha?
I'm not expecting chases here. I'm expecting nothing.
Monica Rambeau! Super
SR.
Monica Rambeau.
Same
Yeah.
nga.
Same nga. Okay, Monica Rambeau.
SR.
Okay, Monica Rambeau. Most likely may pang-apat na SR
May isa pa.
si Sarbrand. Okay, this is Larry. Okay. Booster number 9 is Robert. Robert Papi, this is yours.
Paano kaya yun? Pag nakuha mo yung si Mephisto pero wala ka pang Masters of Evil,
Hindi, pang trade.
Ano yun?
Trade or sell. Trade or sell. Sino to?
Stinger.
Stinger,
At
Quasar,
Oh my gosh, wow.
Rare Quasar, Black Widow, Korvac, and Bosan. Okay, so this is for Robert. So the last one is hopefully an SR for Taldir. Let's see. Booster number 10 is Tao. Oops.
Hulk.
Falcon?
Ooh, Falcon.
Falcon?
Falcon
Yeah,
lang.
Falcon.
Hulk?
Hulk.
Vision? Stinger and walang SR. Tatlo lang SR. Oo. Rare Falcon
Standard.
for standard. Rare Falcon for Taldir. Okay. So please take note. Don't worry, I'll take pictures naman. Okay, so we'll go to the
Pero,
next part. Yes, Canard, you were saying.
pero good break na siya kasi Chase and Prime. Consistent.
Oo.
Yep.
Usually, if you got the other side of the case, parang something like Chase or Prime.
That's true.
There is a
Walang
drone, dude.
Ay nga, parang walang drone.
Just forgot the drone. No, you have the drone, Just. You have the drone.
I got the drone, Taldir. We'll talk about it. We can swap naman items.
Business talking.
I said, no, I don't need the drone. I'm not collecting them.
Of course.
Okay, let's see for the legacy card how many times we're gonna roll. 5 once again. The item the number 1 name will get the legacy. The number 2 name will get the team up card. Okay? So let's see 5 times.
The team
1,
up is literally the
2,
one I pulled with Thanos.
3, 4. So this is the crucial randomization. Oh, Jasper and Legna.
Really? The Chase and Prime, guys.
The Chase and Prime guys, ano ba?
Yep.
I get the legacy. Legna get the
Team
team up.
up, which
Okay.
is
I
Kid
hope
Thanos.
it's Kid Thanos. So that
It's Kid Thanos. It's Kid
I
Thanos.
hope it's Kid Thanos. Let's see. Sino ba maganda legacy? I don't need any legacy actually.
Prime. Avenger Prime.
Yeah.
Up.
Masters of Evil. It's literally.
It's
literally
literally all is Masters of Evil.
Yep.
Yung Spidey mo just SR. Hindi, walang SR. Hindi siya SR. Tal.
Just common.
Common. Captain America.
Captain America.
456.
Yep, that's your legacy.
Is this the Squirrel Girl?
Squirrel Girl again.
Meron na ako nito. Meron na ako niyan. Okay.
Doctor Doom Supreme.
Ay, Dr. Doom Supreme, it's spoiled. Okay, sorry. Sorry, it's spoiled. Got spoiled. Okay, so Dr. Doom Supreme is the team up card.
Well, is anyone else getting it? Does anyone have the Doctor Doom Supreme there? I'm selling this card though for 500 pesos, and if anyone wants to, I don't mind.
So
Or
Dr.
trade.
Doom Supreme and Squirrel Girl. So magkaiba naman yung ating legacy. Okay, so that's it for our break. I'm gonna stop the recording. As always, guys, thank you for participating. The next call for break would probably be Notorious. Oo, kasi this one, Avenger 60th, we had we had two slots up until the last minute open. So I guess we are saturated now with Avenger 60th. So we'll wait for Notorious. I'll probably start the sign up para we can already
Thank you.
have standby. So thank you very much, guys. Good evening.
Congrats.
Good evening. Keep safe. It's raining.
You too, guys.